Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are gonna learn something new, and we are gonna go further and further with Kotlin, okay, and we are gonna start learning about loop. Okay, so with loop, it's actually really it's not complicated topic, but it cannot be explained like this. Okay, we need to put it in a real example, that we need to put it in an application that will get benefit from it. Okay, just to make it clear for you, because it's really difficult for anyone to explain the loop like this. Okay, I'm gonna give it I'm gonna create an application right now with simple, okay, functionality, just to make sure that you understand the loop. But even with this application, it will be very different, or it's not different, but it will be very difficult, guys, for you to understand it very clearly, and you put it inside an Android application. So instead of talking, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So to use the loop, we are gonna show a list of data. Okay, we are use the loop to show a list of data. Okay, it's just like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type var, okay, and then I'm gonna give it any name, or let's say age. Okay, I'm gonna make it of type int. It's equal, let's say, 2. Okay, and to use to use the loop, we have different ways. We have the for loop, we have the while, so on and so forth, for each, for example, and we are gonna take them step by step. So in this video we are gonna talk about the while loop. So I'm gonna type, it's look like this. So I'm gonna type while age is smaller than 10, okay, as long as this condition is right here is true, okay, then print ln, okay, you are great. Okay, so what I'm saying here, I'm saying, hey, as long as the age variable, which is 2, it's less than 10, then print this statement. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type just okay, let's before we type anything, let's run our application. Okay, so as long as 2 is less than 10, our application will keep running. As you can see, it's keep saying you are great, you are great, you are great. It will be not finished. Okay, and I'm gonna stop it, because of course we definitely do not want something like this to happen. And to stop this, I'm gonna type age plus plus. That means, hey, after each print statement, increase the age variable by 1. Plus plus, it will take the current value and add 1 to it. For now, it will be look like this. It will get executed, and until it came right here, it's print the first statement, then it will make the age variable to be 3, and in the next time will be 4, 5, 6, 7. It's keep looping through it until it's become 10. Then 10 is less than 10, then it will be false, then it will be exit out the loop. Okay, to prove that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna outside of the print, or outside of the while, I'm gonna print something else. So the loop is finished. Okay, is finished. So let's go ahead and run our application, and let's see what we are gonna get from this. Come on, yeah, as you can see, guys, it's printed 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then it's after increasing the 2 number by 8, it will be 10. Okay, and 10, it's not less than 10, that's why it's printed the loop is finished. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it's really simple topic, and actually in the university I saw a lot of exercise that a lot of students came to me and asked me about using the while. Okay, and that was a really difficult topic for them, guys. For example, one of the exercise was printing the certain sentences twice times, or let's say 10 times. Okay, and the syntax is really simple, but the students will be confused with the while, with looping in general. Okay, so I just want to make sure, guys, you understand it. Okay, so first of all, we creating something variable or anything, then we loop through it. Okay, use any way of looping. Okay, so it's real simple. We put a condition. If it is true, then our loop will be executed. If it's false, then our loop will be ignored. Simple as that. So guys, that was our first type of looping, which is using the while, and we are gonna continue on in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next.